Hello my dear 5th class students, here is your Mamta Miss again back with the exercise portions for the chapter 3 nouns. In the part 1 already I have discussed exercise A, exercise B, exercise C, exercise D and exercise E. Up to here E I have completed it. Okay. Now in this video let us go for the next part of the exercise portions. Okay. So we'll go with the F portions. So you might have read about this collective noun. Okay. So write the collective nouns indicated by each of the following pictures as in the example. Okay. It is given here, you see, a pair of shoes. Next is a gang of robbers. What is the second one? A gang of robbers. Now we'll go for the number 3 here. You can see a herd of cattle. Okay. Number 4, a pair of scissors. Number 5, a fleet of ships. Okay, F-L-E-E-T, fleet of ships. Number 6, a dash of stamps, collection of stamps. Number 7, a jar of toffees. Okay, see here blanks are given. You have to write down in the blanks. A jar of toffees. A dash of monkeys, a troop of monkeys. Okay, this is all about your collective noun. Okay, now we'll go for the next exercise portion. So here comes your number G. F already over. We'll go for the Z. Separate the common nouns from the material nouns in the list below. As you know already, my dear, what is a common noun and what is a material noun. Okay. To the number of group of nouns we call it is a common noun, isn't it? For an example, suppose we say rose, lily, lotus. These are going under which common noun? They are flowers, isn't it? Then what is material noun? Material noun means taking one material which is made into number of things. That is, suppose for an example, wood. With wood we can make number of furnitures, isn't it? So that is called your material noun. So let us separate here which is a common noun and which is material noun here. Okay. So first one will go here, gold. Gold goes under material noun. Salt goes under the common noun. Pencil goes under the common noun. Book goes under the common noun. Ink goes under the common noun. Bottle goes under the common noun. Marble goes under the material noun. Then table goes under the common noun. Grass goes under the common noun. Then lion goes under the common noun. Fan goes under the common noun. Cloth goes under the material noun. Room goes under the common noun. Metals goes under the material noun. Cement goes under the material noun. Okay, now we have already separated the common nouns and material nouns. Now let us go for the abstract noun. You know very well, my dear students, abstract noun is totally different from other nouns. Why? Because abstract noun is such a noun that we can only feel, neither we can touch or see. Only we can feel it. That is called abstract noun, which is totally different from other nouns. Okay. So you see number H here. Pick out the abstract nouns from the following list of nouns here. Okay, we have to pick it up here. Which are the abstract nouns? Okay. So we'll go for the strength. Strength is what? It is an abstract noun. Ink, no. Sadness, yes, it is an abstract noun. Bull, no. Headache, yes, it is an abstract noun. Beauty, yes, it is an abstract noun. Dog, no. Song, no. Then sky, no. Milk, no. Health, it is also an abstract noun. Foolishness, an abstract noun. Mohan, no. Hill, no. Stone, no. Victory, yes, it goes under the abstract noun. Hammer, no. Stars, no. Length, no. Pen, no. Hospital, no. Speaker, no. So what are the abstract nouns here comes? Strength, headache, health, sadness, beauty, foolishness and victory. Okay, my dear students, let us go for the I. Number I exercise portion. Given below are some pictures and abstract nouns under them. Pick the abstract noun that matches with the picture in each case. Okay. see love, poverty and obedience. Okay, what it comes here under here, what it comes? It comes here poverty. Okay, next in the sickness, poverty and love, here also comes under the poverty. Okay, then here in the number 3 you see speech, music, what comes here? Music. And number 4, sickness, love, kindness, what you can see in this picture? Sickness. Foolishness, speech and song, what you can find here? Speech. Friendship, love and sadness, what you can see in the picture? Love. Number 7, bravery, strength and courage, what kind of abstract noun you feel here? Strength. Okay. Number 8, bravery, foolishness and courage, what kind of abstract noun you feel here? Foolishness. You see how the branch he cuts, he is sitting on that branch only. If he cuts, what will happen? He will fall down, isn't it or not? So he will fall down. So when he will fall down, it is called what? Foolishness. Okay. Next, number 9, race, theft and speed. So what is here? According to the picture, it is the theft. Okay, my dear students, let us go for the next part. That is the last part of the grammar portion of your chapter 3. Number J bit. Find out the nouns in the following sentences. Also mention whether they are proper, common, collective, material or abstract noun. Here nouns, here sentences are given. From these sentences, different nouns are there and you have to classify those nouns which goes under different kinds of nouns. Okay. So let us go here. First one, Chennai is the largest city of Tamil Nadu. Chennai is what? Proper noun. City, common noun. Tamil Nadu, proper noun. Okay. Number 2. Rajiv was born on Saturday, December 5, 1975. So Rajiv is proper noun. Saturday, proper noun. December, proper noun. All three are proper nouns. Okay. Number 3. The Ganges is a holy river. Ganges is what? Proper noun. River is common noun. Okay, my dear students. Number 4. He bought a bunch of bananas. A bunch of bananas. Going under what? Collective noun. Okay. Number 5. This table is made of wood. Okay. So table is going under what? It's a common noun. And wood is material noun. What is wood? Wood is material noun. Number 6. Health is wealth. Health and wealth both are nouns going under abstract nouns. Okay. Number 7. Always speak the truth. Here in the sentence, truth is the noun going under abstract noun. Number 8. The train gave a sharp whistle and disappeared into the darkness. So here you can see train is what? Common noun. Okay. And darkness is abstract noun. Number 9. He was returning to his job in the Indian Army. Okay. So job is what? It is common noun and Indian Army is proper noun. Number 10. Sir Francis knew a great deal about the history and the customs of the people of India. Sir Francis is a proper noun. And next comes here people, common noun. India is proper noun. Number 11. All cats are meat eaters and kill their own food. So here cats, common noun. Okay. And food is also common noun. Okay. Now the number 12. The body was painted red. Body goes under common noun. Okay. And here red also goes under the common noun. Now number 13. A bloodhound is a breed of dog. Okay. So bloodhound is a breed of dog. So breed of dog is going under what? It is a collective noun. Okay. Number 14. A large crowd was already seated in the room. Okay. A large crowd was already seated in the room. Large crowd is what here? The collective noun. It's going under collective noun. Okay. Then room is common noun. Common noun it is. Number 15. He lost 20,000 pounds. Okay. 20,000 pounds going under what? Collective noun. Okay, my dear students. So these all you have already classified into different nouns. Just note it down here. And from chapter 3, all your exercise portions from A to J is completed. So I hope you might be clear clear with this, and you will understand and you will know